Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced -2. -2 means -1 2 times. Let's try again. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Good work. Today we will learn -3. Let's learn about 3 minus 1 first. 3 alsigs minus 1 alsig equals 2 alsigs. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's learn about 3 minus 2. 3 alsigs minus 2 alsigs equals 1 alsig. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now let's learn about 3 minus 3. 3 alsigs minus 3 alsigs equals nothing. 3 minus 3 equals 0. -3 means -1 3 times. Next, let's learn 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 10 equals 7 plus 3, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. Remember, 10 minus 3 equals 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7 plus 3 minus 3. Look at the red 3 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7 plus 0. What is 7 plus 0? Yes, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Then what is 9 minus 3? 9 equals 6 plus 3, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. Remember, 9 minus 3 equals 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6 plus 3 minus 3. Look at the red 3 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6 plus 0. What is 6 plus 0? Yes, 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Let's try one more. What is 8 minus 3? 8 equals 5 plus 3, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. Remember, 8 minus 3 equals 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5 plus 3 minus 3. Look at the red 3 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0? Yes, 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Do you see a pattern? 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Great job! Minus 3 means minus 1 3 times. Next time we will learn minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Remember, you will need this next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.